It's a big show.
He is the world's largest athlete, The Big Show!
Look at the determined look on the Big Show's face.
Guys, Big Show flat out claims he doesn't.
The Viper! Randy Orton! Oh, pick up your phone, call somebody! Tell him the Viper is back!
6-time WWE champion, 3-time world champion.
And from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in 265 pounds,
Greg Hamilton, you are fired because here comes the big dog. Mess anything up. They're not the ones that cause Big Show to be distracted. Big Show should have concentrated on pinning Randy Orton becoming WWE champion.
How could he
You can't blame this on the authority.
How could he concentrate on Randy Orton after everything?
Superman punch!
Well, it's very painful, I can assure you.
Oh, Roman Reigns rolling out of the way. Orton knees first.
Oh, no way! Still punches count by the top of the spear.
Far, here comes, and Randy Orton with a drop kick. Reigns countered. Roman Reigns. Oh, RKO by Orton! RKO by Orton! Reigns is down and out! And Reigns powers out! What? Up the punt to the skull! To the skull of Big Show! Randy Orton! My last chance. I may never have another opportunity at the WWE title. I've got to capitalize. Oof! Where Randy Orton.
Showing still punches count by the top of the spear. A spear from the Big Show.
Roman Reigns going for the spear. Reigns is a sacrifice to Randy Orton, and now Randy Orton just taking his sweet time. There's been a major personal Superman punch to Randy. Listen to this place. Roman Reigns going for the spear. Randy Orton is going to advance in the tournament as Roman Reigns gets the shoulder up. Oh, wow!
Caught by the Big Show! He gets out of the grasp of the Big Show.
His sweet time. There's been a major personal issue, John, between these two men. Now they'll be a part of that. Opposition here to the skull of Big Show. Randy Orton off the punt to the skull. Oh, wow! And here's Roman Reigns right to the side of the face of Big Show, and the Giant's down to one knee, and he's in position for Roman Reigns. Reigns countered. Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton! RKO by Orton!
Here, shoved up into the ropes, duck.
But the Orton pull out. Two unbelievable.
Oh, no way! Caught by the Big Show! He gets out of the grasp of the Big Show and still punches count by the top of the spear. A spear from the Big Show.
No, watch Ryback. Watch Ryback. RKO by Orton! RKO by Orton!
Straight on pinning Randy Orton becoming WWE champion.
How could he
You can't blame
Randy Orton off the punt to the skull. To the skull of Big Show. I don't think Orton's ever looked better. Said it all along, you build a sports entertainer. Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton! RKO by Orton! Reigns is down and out! And Reigns powers out! What? A look of disbelief in the eyes of Randy Orton!
Orton is thinking.
RKO by Orton! RKO by Orton! And Reigns powers out! What?
Calls Big Show to be distracted. Big Show should have concentrated on pinning Randy Orton becoming WWE champion.
How could he
You can't blame this.
Give me a second RKO! Big Show